In VIVERSE for Business, a space is a room inside an organization's building where organization members and guests can move around, interact, join events and sessions, and more. Depending on your role, you can use the Management Console to manage the spaces in your VIVERSE for Business environment. Here's how. Sign into the Management Console and go to Spaces under Buildings and Spaces. The Space Settings screen shows all the spaces in a single building, including the total number of spaces it has and how many there are of each type. Select a building in the upper right to view details about the spaces it contains. Every building has one open space, which shares its name with the building it's in. The open space is the common area inside the building where members can move around to access dynamic and persistent spaces. Dynamic spaces are shared spaces that can be accessed by all building members. Persistent spaces are only accessible to users who have been added to the space as members. To quickly find a space you're looking for, you can filter the list of spaces by type. Click on a space to view more details about it, including changes that have been made and upcoming sessions. To edit the details of the space, click Edit, then select whether to change the space type. If you change a dynamic space to a persistent space, you'll need to assign at least one member of the space as an owner. Now that you have a better understanding of how spaces work in VIVERSE for Business, you can use the Management Console to manage your organization's spaces more effectively.